Forgot a password? It happens. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to view your saved passwords on your iPhone. Most people check the first spot and give up, but there's actually a second hidden place where your passwords might be stored. So make sure you watch for that one. First, let's check the default Apple storage. Find and open the Passwords app. Use the search bar at the top. Type in the app you need, like Facebook. Tap the result and tap the hidden dots to reveal this password. Simple. But if you didn't find it there, check here. Open up your Google Chrome browser. Tap the three dots in the bottom right corner. Scroll to the menu at the top and tap on Password Manager. Just like before, this lists everything saved to your Google account rather than your Apple ID. Search for Facebook or Instagram, tap it, and boom, there's your missing password. Ever wonder how to clear app data and cache on your iPhone? Check out this video now.